Well, our lead story is from the state of Kerala after Kerala Chief Minister stoked a storm with his remark on Sanatan Dharma. The Chief Minister reaffirmed his statement cautioning against alleged organized efforts to portray sage and social reformer Sri Narayana Guru as a proponent of Sanatan Dharma. Now, while inaugurating the conference in Kerala, the Chief Minister claimed that the Guru, who advocated one caste, one religion and one God for people, had neither been a spokesperson nor a practitioner of the Sanatan Dharma, but had reconstructed it and proclaimed a Dharma suited to the new age. Listen in.
സനാതന ഹിന്ദുത്വം എന്ന വാക്കിലൂടെ സ്ഥാപിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത് ബ്രാഹ്മണാധിപത്യത്തിന്റെ പഴയ രാജവാഴ്ചക്കാലമാണ്. ഇതിൽ പരം എന്തു തെളിവാണ് വേണ്ടത്? ജനാധിപത്യം അലബ്ധിയാണെന്നതിനും മറ്റെന്ത് തെളിവാണ് വേണ്ടത്?
Well, a strong reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The party has said that the Chief Minister of Kerala insulted Sanatan Dharma and followers of Sri Narayan Guru as well.
Sanatan ka apman is the India Alliance's pehchan. Whether it is the intellectual jargon in which this Sanatan apman is couched, like has been done by Pinarayi Vijayan of the left parties, ever since the communists have lost the Wayanad elections, they have been trying to get back the Muslim vote bank which has gone to the Congress. They even said that the Congress party has allied with the Jamaat-e-Islami. But now, to win back that communal extremist vote bank, they are making all kinds of objectionable comments on Hindus, Hindu Astha and Sanatan. And the entire alliance talks about Mohabbat ki dukaan, but actually they are Nafrat ke bhaijan who only do Sanatan ka apman.
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party has said that the statement that has come from the Kerala Chief Minister is an insult to the Astha of Hindus. Now, let us take you through the reaction that has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. V. Muralidharan has said that reducing Sanatan Dharma to casteism will not work is the first attack that has come from Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the war of words between BJP and the Kerala Chief Minister is concerned. The second attack is, will he dare to pass such comments on Holy Quran or any other faith? Saying that, will he be giving such a statement against the Muslim community? Chief Minister has no moral right to criticize the Hindu community is a charge that has come from the top Bharatiya Janata Party leader is that will he criticize, he has in fact no right to criticize the Hindu community in India. So this is, as far as the fight between BJP and Kerala Chief Minister is concerned, part of India Bloc's strategy of integrating Sanatan Dharma is another charge that has come from Bharatiya Janata Party. They want to appease vote bank which support terrorists is a big claim that has come from Bharatiya Janata Party. They have called this an insult to Astha of Hindus. Now, Congress and Samajwadi Party netas say that there is nothing wrong in what the Kerala Chief Minister has said, while on the other hand, National Conference has also said that those who are talking about Sanatan Dharma today want to take us back to the era of caste system and untouchability. Listen into the war of words between the India Bloc and the Bharatiya Janata Party.
देखो, नारायण गुरु जी को जो हड़पने की कोशिश बीजेपी आरएसएस के द्वारा हो रही है, नारायण गुरु जी ने तो हमेशा वर्णाश्रम का विरोध किया. उन्होंने एक जाति की बात करी कि सब एक हों, जो कि बीजेपी आरएसएस की जो शिक्षा के खिलाफ बात है. तो पिनराई विजयन जी का बयान का पूर्ण तरीके से समाजवादी पार्टी हम लोग इस बात का समर्थन करते हैं.
Narayan Guru was against Sanatan. Rather, he was for reform. He fought against the caste discrimination. Pinarayi, the Chief Minister of Kerala, has said is correct, that I am in agreement with him that they are trying to appropriate, but that is not possible in Kerala. Of course, that is this educated state.
Well, crossing over to my colleague Isha, who joins us live in the broadcast. Isha, Bharatiya Janata Party has objected to the statement that has come from Kerala Chief Minister, but he remains defiant. He said that he will stick to his statement. This is, in fact, what Bharatiya Janata Party has said, that is an insult to the Astha of Hindu community. Give us more details.
Right, Akanksha. So BJP had gone out all guns blazing at the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, stating that his statement is derogatory to the Hindus of the entire country and that this statement is extremely offending. But now, as you were also correctly pointing out, Pinarayi Vijayan is stating that he will stick by his statement, and there are allies who are also supporting him in stating that there is nothing wrong with the statement, which is definitely further adding more fuel to fire because a lot of sentiments are definitely hurt in the nation. And this is not the first time that an India Bloc leader has made a comment on Sanatan, which has led to this massive decry. So definitely Pinarayi Vijayan has made a statement. The BJP is attacking him, but he is not yet to apologize, and also there are allies who are supporting him. So definitely he is getting support for his statement, and that is also fanning the fire at the moment.
Well, absolutely. And Bharatiya Janata Party has said that this is insult to Astha, but Kerala Chief Minister remains defiant. He said that he will stick to his statement. Thank you, Isha, for all the details.